Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your nickname or your friend's nickname on Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And for your information guys, this is a new feature on Instagram. Now the Instagram allow us to edit our nickname and our friend's nickname on Instagram direct messages. Okay, I'm just going to open up the Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon on the top right corner, and then you can choose personal chat or group chat you want to edit the nickname on. And the first one, I'm going to change my nickname on this personal chat, this one. Okay, and if we want to edit the nickname, we can click on the account's name right here, and then we can simply click on nicknames. Okay, and here I will be able to change my own nickname or my friend's nickname, and I'm going to change my own nickname. I'm just going to name it like this and click on done. And if you want to edit your friend's nickname, you just need to tap on the account like this and you can give nickname like this and click on done. And here you'll be able to change who can edit your nickname. You can select everyone in this chat, people you follow, or only you. And I'm just going to click on everyone in this chat. Okay, so me and my friend will be able to edit our own nicknames. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to show you how we can edit the nickname on Instagram group chat. So I'm going to open up my Instagram group chat, and basically the process is the same. We just need to click on the group chat's name and then click on nicknames, and then you can edit the nickname right here. Just same like this. All right. And then if you want to delete the nickname, you just need to delete it like this. I'm going to show you how we can delete the nickname. For example, I'm going to delete this account nickname. If you want to delete it, just delete it like this and click on done, and the nickname will be removed from the account. Okay guys, then that's all the way to edit nickname on Instagram direct messages. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.